Good morning, beautiful people. I'm here in the beautiful Beddgelert, and today, a bit of an unplanned adventure. So there's a second fisherman's path I've heard about that starts down this way, so I'm going to find it, walk down to Beddgelert, and then try and find some cabin in the woods. And then tonight I'm going to find somewhere to bivvy, and then tomorrow guiding a group up Snowdon for charity from work. So I will bring you back in a bit. So peaceful and quiet. There's a few people about. I expected it to be busier than it is. What a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning. So this fisherman's path up to now, nothing like the other one. However, it looks like, how beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? Now it's starting to get a bit more exciting, I'd say. And then I'm gonna get down to the bottom of here. I'm gonna have a mooch around the woods and see if I can find any of the 3 cabins that are hidden in there. What a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning. I'll go a bit more about this path now. Like I say, nothing on the scale of the one that's been removed in Dollywitherland. But I'm just going to keep moseying along, do a bit of an explore, have some fun, mooch around Beddgelert for the afternoon. Happy days. There we go. Some handles. Stunning, absolutely stunning. You do have to take care on this path. If you don't pay attention, you could easily do an ankling. Cave in there, couple just walked in it. Bit of a plunge pool swimming area there. quite easily. Relatively shortish walk, a couple of miles I reckon. Can go up there over to Mynydd Segan and then drop back down Beddgelert there. I might come back this way. But I want to go and have an explore in these woods. See if I can find these bloody cabins. Stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'm now heading up into the woods. I need to keep my wits about me. Let's see what we can find. Interesting. That must have been the wash bowl. Like an old settlement. Oh wow. Very different. Okay, so I found something. Looks like a shelter that's been built. Let's have a look. Oh wow, proper cabin in the woods. Look at this. Happy days, there's one. Another two, I believe. Hello? Bloody eerie, I know that much. Even in daylight. Some of the noises you hear. Look at that. One down, two to find. Don't know if you can see, but the knocking as them trees are blowing in the wind. Don't think I could put up with sleeping with that above me. Widowmaker, that one. Right, let's see what else we can find. Just head off this track. Check this bad boy out. Oh yeah. I suppose you could rough it under there as well. Big fire pit. Let's have a look in here. Hello? Enough for a few people to live in here. Look at that. Floorboards are a bit sketchy. However, makes for a cracking shelter. Oh wow, this is amazing. Fair dues. What we have here in Wales, second to none. Second to none. That's not really good now, is it? Not when there's a bloody fire pit there, for God's sake. Some people spoil it for others. Oh, that looks like it's had a fire on it at some point. Look at this for a viewpoint. It's a right sun trap by here. Stunning. So I'm now out of the woods and back on a path back down to Beddgelert Road. Managed to find 2 of the 3. Suppose that ain't too bad, but don't know where the third one was. Right, so some path back down now, but I just want to show you this. Look at this for a view. Absolutely stunning. And I bet not a soul come up here. Nobody. Look at that. That's just amazing. Amazing. Right, let's find my way down this path, because this come from up there. Right. See you in a bit. Stunning. I think I've just stumbled across the third one now. Spotted it. See the tarp there? So I need to try and get across now. Back across. And have a look at that. Yep, it's definitely the other one. Definitely. Right, how do I get in there now? Come on. Let's go and have a mooch. Minnie the mooch. Mark, your coordinates that you've given me are just slightly off, dude. But look. There's the other one. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. There we go then. All 3 found. Yippee. Fire pit. And here's just a shelter really again, next to some running water. Look at that. Fair dues. Just a platform. Yeah, I can see why people do this. Off grid, nowhere to come now. I'm definitely coming back here for a wild camp at some point, 100%. Certainly for the second one. There's a fourth one. Bloody hell. I think it's a fourth one, unless it's private. Might be private. Still a cabin in the woods. However, I think this one might be privately owned. Still have a little mooch. Yeah, looks to be privately owned, this one. Wonder if it's an Airbnb. Yeah, it's not a fourth one. Private property. Alright, let's try and find my way back down. What a really cool, interesting place this is. Fantastic place. Adventure in the woods. I'm back down now. Happy days. I'm just by the road. I'm going to head back up to Beddgelert and then find somewhere to have something to eat, have a bit of a mooch around the village. Might have a pint, not sure. We'll see. See you in a bit. Nearly back in Beddgelert now. I'm gonna pass Gelert's grave in a minute. And I've just checked my Strava and the bloody thing hasn't recorded, so I've done about 7 miles, I reckon. Yeah, about 7 miles, give or take. And what a cracking walk that's been. Completely different. Absolutely amazing. I found all 3 of the cabin in the woods. So that was good. And the second one, definitely worth an overnighter there. Try and get one done this summer. Get a group of my loving friends so that we can look after the place while we're there as well. Anywho's, look at this beautiful weather and the beautiful mountains. What more do you want? I always say, if we had this weather guaranteed, you wouldn't need to go abroad. Genuinely wouldn't. This is just beautiful. Love it here. Right. So quite a change of plans from what I had originally planned. Obviously the wild camp and the bivvy tarp hasn't happened because I've met this bloke. I think you'll all remember this one.
No one knows me.
So the plan is now I'm crashing on his mother-in-law to be's floor and we're just going to get wasted. So I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to do another video tomorrow for the charity walk up Snowdon. But look at this for a view to end on. Absolutely stunning. What a sunset we're going to get as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Cabin in the woods. I'm going to come and stay there. We'll have a good night. Later.